This is his ticket. So much has been going on. The kids have been sick. Laura has been sick. At first it was Audria. She had like the stomach bug or something and she was getting better, and then next thing you know, Cam started throwing up and having diarrhea. He also caught a fever, but thankfully that only lasted a day. And then Laura gets it. I've just been so exhausted lately, just doing a lot, trying to get a lot of this Christmas shopping done, and just also think about what I'm gonna do for my birthday. So we actually last minute decided to go to Myrtle Beach. And I know that it's cold, I know that it's windy, I know it's gonna be freezing, but what I'm looking forward to is just waking up to the beach. Oh, and the kids don't know, so I'm gonna tell them on Christmas Day. So we're about to get ready to go to the gym right now. I got my gym clothes on. I'm actually gonna put on a burgundy sweater so, you know, I can be festive. Yes, empty parking lot. Nobody's at the gym. It's December 23rd, so I'm pretty sure everyone's out shopping.
Y'all leaving?
No, we just got here. Please don't mind this hot mess right here. I literally just got back from the gym. My brother asked me to make sushi bake, and I was like, yeah, sure, if you buy the stuff. So he's on his way right now. So on Christmas Eve, we always go to my aunt's house and we exchange gifts, and we have other cousins and aunts and uncles that go there too, and we all just meet up and we eat and have a good time. On Christmas, we go to my mom's house, we see everyone else, and then of course, my birthday is the next day.
Merry Christmas! Hi.
Ooh, I like your jacket, Danny. What is that? Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wow. Raja, there's nothing for you right now. We have to get you a cat scratcher. We're going to Myrtle Beach!
Yeah! Today?
Yeah, tonight.
Tonight? They already.
What?
I think there's a spoiler alert.
Who's been telling you?
Auntie.
She can never keep a secret.
Dorothy, my sis.
Thank you, Auntie Maggie, for this gift. She made these special ornaments for us and the kids. Crayons?
Go the fire?
No.
The window?
Oh no, you're talking about if he went into the fireplace.
The fireplace.
Yes, he usually comes down the fireplace.
Guys, you didn't.
This is some toy. No, this is the one for Pam. This is the one for you. No.
You like it, Bobo?
That one.
Mommy, this is cute.
It is cute. We're on the kitchen floor.
Your present, Mommy. You got a new piece?
Oh, it's a Bath and Body Works candle. I know. She's saying it's not the same. It's because they're friends. Thank you, Mom. So we're just now about to leave my mom's house. It's like 5 p.m. so hopefully there's no traffic or anything. Doubt there will be, but I'm excited.
I'm excited.